Welcome to Larry Under Pressure. Today, Larry's back at it with a fun and tasty twist. He's whipping up a mock cherry pie using the Presto Stuffler Belgian waffle maker. It's quick, it's simple, and trust us, it's delicious. Let's get into it.
Hello y'all and welcome to the channel. On this video, I'm cooking up a delicious sort of a mock cherry pie in the Presto Stuffler. The Presto Stuffler is a device I've used in several videos before, and it's made to make stuffed Belgian waffles. The Stuffler is a really robust device, kind of on the same gauge as what you'd find in a hotel lobby for a free breakfast. And it works well, it's designed beautifully, and it works well every time. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make actually a stuffed waffle with cherry pie filling in the middle of it, and then sprinkle it with powdered sugar when we get done. And it's very much like a delicious cherry pie. So I'm going to show you how I do it. I've preheated the Stuffler. You have to preheat it for 7 to 8 minutes, and you don't know exactly when it's turned off because the light stays on all the time. So first thing we're going to do is open it up, and we're going to put our batter in. And I've made the batter just with the box directions. It's a batter that I bought at Walmart, just Walmart buttermilk pancake batter. Nothing fancy, easier than making it yourself. And I'm filling the bottom grid up to the mark like the directions show. And then I'm going to put several spoons of cherry pie filling on top of that batter to give us a nice full pie. You can see that it's going right in there. I'm just putting it right in, spooning it right on, kind of moving it out to the edges a little bit. Next thing I'm going to do is put more batter and fill it up to the line. And that's it. We're going to close it down, and we're going to let it cook for about 8 minutes. But what we're going to do is we close it down, and then we bring it over 180 degrees and let gravity pull it down into the right position. Let's let it cook for a few minutes, and we'll come back and check it out. We've had it cooking now for 8 minutes. So let's open and see what it looks like. Wow, look how nice and golden brown that is. And this, that's what the amazing part and the amazing design of this cooker is. With a lot of these types of cookers, I'm going to unplug it because we're done. A lot of these cookers, you've got to dig it all out and worry about tearing it up. With this one, it's so cool. It comes out with this little pair of tongs that you cooked it right in. You separate them, and it comes right out. Look at that. How incredible is that? And there's your Belgian waffle with your contents in the middle. Nothing to spill out, nothing to ooze out, nothing to tear up when you try to get it out. It just comes right out, and it's ready for the next one. And as if you noticed, I didn't use any kind of spray, non-stick coating, or oil, or anything else. You don't have to use any of that. As a matter of fact, the directions say do not use any of them, so I don't. So we're going to let that sit for just a few minutes and cool. And once it cools off, we'll sprinkle it with a little bit of sugar, cut into it, and see what it looks like. That's been sitting there now for about 8 to 10 minutes. So what we're going to do next, sprinkle a little powdered sugar on it to make it look better and to make it taste a little better too. Isn't that nice? Then we're going to cut into it and see what it looks like. Let's give it a cut and see how it looks inside. And there you have it. Look at that. Does that look delicious? Well, it does, because it is. Really good. You zoom in just a little bit. You can see what that looks like. It's a beautiful cherry pie, and it just tastes delicious. It's easy to fix, quick to fix, satisfying, and as we said at the beginning of the video, I can tell you several other ways to make this even as delicious, if not more. There are several other toppings that you can put in the middle of it to make it taste good. One I really like is lemon pie filling. It makes a lemon pie, and it's really delicious. You can use blackberry, blueberry, peach, any kind of fillings that you want to make this even better. Give it a try and see what you think. If you enjoy it and get value out of our videos, we encourage you to please subscribe to the video in the information below, and you'll be notified as I upload new videos. Also, it helps the channel get more use out of the algorithm and gets more people involved in what we're doing, and helps us a lot. We'll also have links below, Amazon shopping links, for purchasing the Presto Stuffler, as well as the device you saw me use to put the batter in the Stuffler. And purchases through our link help us to a very small degree, but cost you no more than if you purchased them right straight off of Amazon yourself. We've enjoyed having you, hope to see you again real soon, and enjoy your cooking.
Thanks for watching Larry Under Pressure. If you enjoyed this mock cherry pie recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a quick and delicious creation. Got an idea or want Larry to try something new in the Stuffler? Drop it in the comments below. Take care and see you next time.